In this video, you'll learn how to connect your OKX wallet to the Dogs platform. By following these steps, you will successfully link your wallet and be able to manage your assets effectively. Begin by opening the Telegram application on your device. Once the app is open, locate the search bar at the top of your screen, type in MoneyDog and press enter to initiate the search for the relevant bot. After the search results appear, you should see the bot listed. Click on the bot to open the chat interface. Once inside the chat, look for the option to launch the application. This is typically indicated by a message or a button within the chat that prompts you to start the app. Next, you will see various options presented in the app. Click on the option labeled Asset to proceed. This section will provide you with different asset management functionalities. After selecting Asset, look for the Deposit button and click on it to continue with the deposit process. Once you're in the deposit section, locate the option labeled Connect On. This action is necessary to establish a connection with the blockchain network. After clicking Connect On, you may need to wait a moment for the connection to be established. Look for any loading indicators or confirmation messages that confirm the connection is successful. Following the connection, you will need to click on the Wallets option. This section will display the available wallets you can connect to your account. Look for the option labeled OKX Wallet and click on it to finalize the connection. After this step, your OKX Wallet should now be linked to the Dogs platform, allowing you to manage your assets seamlessly.